Good, YouTube? Back at it again with another video. I want to show y'all this 7 tray we working on real quick. Customer came in, wanted started off with just interior and music, a few parts. Turned into more. That's usually how it go. So let me show you what we got going on with this one. Car started off with just putting the interior back together. As you can see, we started on it, and we didn't build these panels. None of the stuff is, the only thing we built was the kick panels and the dash. Well, the dash cluster, my bad, not the top of the dash. Dash cluster. We didn't make this back window. He just asked us to finish it off, you know. It's doing a favor for somebody we know. And then we seen this wiring harness, and we told him we couldn't finish. We couldn't continue with this. We gotta do all this over. All that spaghetti you see here, and we gotta do all that over. We got a new harness coming in for this one. I'm gonna go ahead and film that one too. Stay around for that one. It's a new harness, what it looked like, but whoever installed it did not do the best job. So we're gonna take all that out and redo it. Hardtop. We're gonna see what it do. As you can see with this one right here, they turned the whole taillight harness is gone. Like no taillight harness, no bulbs, all that is gone from this car. We gotta see them make all of make it happen. Somewhat hardtop we did before. News was already hooked up, dash was in. Went to the paint, they took it apart, brought it back for us to finish it off. Oh, something quick and easy. Got them gold grills going in there. You got gold grills, right? Them gold grills going in there. Green lights everywhere. Yeah, it's a legend right here. Got them D's going on there when it's finished. What you going in the trunk? Don't mind all that paper right there, all that's coming out.
Yeah, I might do, I don't know.
415?
Maybe, I don't know, bro. I'm about to see.
You just talking to me like you don't want to tear nothing up. Yeah. All right, we're going to see.
You the worst of me. Now you want to stay the night. Pity how you work hard for me, but forgetting how to talk. Nah, I don't like no humble beats. Just go and suss it up. Now it's time to marinate. And right after we're done, I like it when you're looking like that. Don't like it when you shit, chat shit. I like it when you're looking like that. Oh, shut your fun. Chewbacca with a white mouth. Just like it when you're looking at it.